Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. We making this jambalaya with chicken, smoked sausage, and jumbo shrimp. You know what? It needs no introduction. Again, what I'm trying to do is, just like show people and take the mystery out of like cooking some of these things. You know what? We always go ahead and buy a jambalaya, like buy it in a box, but I'm getting ready to show you just how easy it is for you to just make some small preparations, throw it inside, put your seasonings in, and then boom, you can serve this. You can serve it over, a plate of rice. You can even add crab to it, whatever your heart desires. That's what you do. You know what? With no further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, we're gonna go over the ingredients. We got celery, and you can see we got an onion, chopped onion, cayenne pepper, oregano, thyme, a red bell pepper, and these are just the seasonings in my dishes. 3 there, and then right there to the left is cayenne pepper, and I got 2 packs of sausage right there. And then right here you can see 3 skinless breasts. You can go this right here that part right there is like optional. I like mine a little meaty, so I went with 3. You can put 2 would be sufficient, but I like it that way. And then you guys know that I like to use crock pot liners, so that right there helps with the cleanup. For the full recipe and exact quantities, I'll leave that down in the description box down below. Now here you want to take your your chicken, and you want to cut them down into small bite-sized chunks. And then you want to do the exact same thing with your sausage. You just want to slice them. Now you just dice your bell pepper. Now when you get to your celery, you want to thinly slice these. Now when it comes to using a crock pot, you guys should know already that I love using crock pot liners. It just makes the cleanup just so much easier. So once you get that, set, listen, you want to put all of your ingredients inside of your crock pot. Add your spices and everything. And then, the way you see that I'm doing it right here was just more so, for the video purposes. But if there is no order, you can put it in however you want to. I just would suggest that when it comes to your spices, to just go ahead and just add those just on the top. And then right before you put your lid on, you want to give it a good stir, set your timer, and just wait. Now here, you just want to go ahead and turn it on. Listen, you cook it on high for 3.5 hours, and that's it. And this is what it looks like when it's done. 3.5 hours later, boom. What you guys think about that there? You can't beat it. You can see the simplicity in this video recipe right here. You know, just like super easy. True enough, it's a throw together. You know, once you get your ingredients, you know, you got your little prep time. You know what, you should be able to prep this and have this ready in about 15 minutes once you have all your ingredients out on your counter. With that being said, you know, you put them all inside, you know, go ahead and set it. You know, you can go for 3.5 to 4 hours, you know, on low, and then you double that if you're gonna use high, you know, depending on your time. But I can promise you this, it has an explosive, you know, taste. You know what, everybody will jump up and down and swear that you just made this, you know, from some Southern home, you know, recipe. But me and you know that this was just a, you know, a crock pot recipe. With that being said, you guys, you know what, if you're new to the channel, let me go ahead and welcome you to my channel. You know what, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You know what, like this video and then share it. Okay, if any of you guys are gonna make any of these recipes and you're on Instagram, go ahead and look up Smokin and Grillin with AB. Listen, I'm on there. Listen, I'm using a hashtag. And it's called Smokin Grillin Fam. That way you can, when you post, I'll be able to see that. You know what? That's just like our own personal little, you know, hashtag that we're gonna use so that I'm able to follow and I can even actually see what you guys make. So with that being said, don't forget, Smokin Grillin Fam on Instagram. Outside of that, y'all, I'm out. Peace.